What's up, guys? Welcome to another edition of my weird tools that I buy. This is an AC Delco 8-volt set I bought. It came with a hex driver, meaning it does have a few gear selectors to get them going. And then it has a hex shank collet on there. This is great for like electrical work and stuff. There's the info on the side. Electrical work, cabinets, stuff like that, small stuff. Doorknobs, handles, 8-volt battery. It says the kit I bought originally was this. It came with a 3/8 impact wrench, which for 8-volt it's pretty heavy on the front. This is all metal. Has a nice balance to it though. There's the specs for this one. Pretty good numbers, you know. Little LED light. This one also has an LED light. And the last thing that came with these tools was a flashlight. So this kit came with, and this is LED, pretty nice and bright. The head goes up and down. I think these are magnets here, but I like it. For doing electrical work, these two are great. And I think this kit is on Amazon for $70. The other thing I added to it, which was I think the same as the same price, I think this itself was about 80 bucks. It's a 1/4 inch ratchet wrench. There's the numbers there. 8-volt. I like the lock on this one. Just push that up. LED light. And I was able to get this on because, like I said, I use this for a lot of pedestal sinks to get up under there and tighten down, so it's nice having this bit head. The only thing I don't like about this is it's not variable speed. Another cheap one I've got before I bought the AC Delco one was this. It's a 12-volt. See if I can get you some specs there. 3/8 inch head. Has a battery indicator light. This lock, it's not bad. I mean, it definitely works. It's a little hard to unlock still, but this one is variable speed. I like this one a lot, but they both serve their purpose. Both good. And the AC Delco, the 8 volts, come with a nice little dual charger. So I just thought I'd like to share these tools with you. let you know that they are out there. They are on Amazon, and I'm sure they're sold in a store somewhere too, but not a bad little deal. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys later.